Hello YouTube, this is Daniel from Autolog. Today we are installing MODE Downpipe on Mk7.5 Golf GTI. So just a quick background story. My GTI was on APS Stage 3 for about 5 months now. Everything's running fine, but the first downpipe that I had, unfortunately it didn't have a flex pipe on the downpipe. Instead of the flex pipe, there was another secondary catalytic converter. Because of that, the engine is mounted transverse wise, so when you do high revving or when you do hard acceleration, engine can actually move back and forth. If there's no flex pipe on the downpipe cannot handle the physical stress on it and can actually crack eventually. So I'll show you what cracked downpipe looks like. Let's get into it. So this is the previous downpipe that has been taken off from my GTI. I obviously took this off before installing the new MODE design downpipe because you can clearly see the welding has been cracked right after the primary catalytic converter section. This downpipe is supposed to be one piece like this, but because there's no flex pipe on the downpipe, the welding on this area has been snapped, and basically downpipe has become two different pieces. The thing is, this is where the flex pipe is supposed to be, and there's a flex pipe on here on most of the aftermarket downpipe. But this downpipe has been designed for the market in the US, and I just realized that after searching, in some of the states in the US, you are supposed to have two catalytic converter by law. I think that's why this downpipe didn't have a flex pipe with it, because they need to design the downpipe according to the regulation. And that's why if you see the bottom of Golf GTI in US market, you can actually see two catalytic converters in the stock downpipe. On the other hand, in Australia, we can just have one catalytic converter in the primary pipe section. Same rules apply. So if you look at the bottom of Australian market Golf GTI, you can just see one catalytic converter in the primary pipe section of the stock OEM downpipe. So in Australian market, there is plenty of aftermarket downpipe that just has one catalytic converter, but this one was a special case. Anyway, that's why my previous downpipe had another catalytic converter instead of the flex pipe, and due to the reason that I mentioned before, I'm not blaming this downpipe. However, I've learned a lesson that it's probably better to have a downpipe that has the flex pipe in the middle, so I can prevent this issue to happen. This time I bought MODE design downpipe. I bought this one because it is Australian brand and I wanted to help local business. It comes with lifetime warranty, which is a big plus. And also another good thing is that my previous downpipe, it didn't have a flex pipe, therefore it cracked in the middle. But this one has a flex pipe which can move a bit when engine can move back and forth. So hopefully this will not have cracking or snapping issue like my previous one, and I'm pretty confident with this MODE design downpipe because obviously it comes with lifetime warranty, which means they're also confident about the quality of this downpipe. In my honest observation after receiving this downpipe in person, the welding didn't look as beautiful as my previous downpipe. But the pipe itself as well as the welding was thicker than my previous one, so I believe that this downpipe is going to be more solid durability wise. You can add few options if you buy downpipe from MODE design. First of all, you can add the catalytic converter, which is what you see in this video. In addition, you can also add internal heat shielding with ceramic coating of the downpipe. I didn't select that option, so you cannot see the heat shielding in the downpipe. And now we are installing the second half of this downpipe. The end of this downpipe section will be connected with the catback. Luckily for this downpipe, we didn't have to remove the lower subframe of the car. So downpipe installation was very simple. It took about 2 hours. So we finally finished installing the MODE design downpipe. At some point, I was a little bit worried that this catalytic downpipe will not fit on Mk7.5 GTI because some of the branded downpipe like IPE, it actually states that the catalytic downpipe doesn't fit on the facelift Mk7 GTI. I experienced that some of the downpipe has really thick pipe where the primary catalytic converter sits, and it actually creates rattles if the downpipe gets heated up. Fortunately for this MODE design downpipe, I didn't have any rattling issue, and it seems like it's okay to be fitted on Mk7.5 GTI as well. I will end this video with the exhaust clip of my car after installing the MODE design downpipe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.